Shalom, shalom. This is Zephaniah, Yahya Sha'ala, a.k.a. Yah Mordecai, wise warrior for the Most High Mighty One, God of Israel. Coming from Sith Lord Tiger School of Truth. And this is another episode of getting back to your roots. So this is one of my grow bags. I got a couple more grow bags, bigger ones. This is my little starter, little sample one. I had a little incubator down there. It was in the house. And a lot of the stuff wind up dying in there because I'm going back and forth. You know, in between places or whatever. So what we doing today is that wood over there, I done shellacked it. Put some winter stain on it on one side. You don't want to put it on a side with the dirt and all that. You don't want no chemicals in your soil. So I was gonna do two flower beds. I was gonna stack them up, but then I had to think it through. And the amount of dirt I probably was gonna need was gonna be a lot. So I'm just gonna do one. I got all the pieces and all the hardware and all that. So now we about to get started. Shalom.